work, I'm be dying. Aye, my come and eat you. Move be dying. It's Wednesday and the others. No two ways about it.
Unim boa kwabena fo eboa. Hwe krom ha. So ba bia nya broken heart da no person nya broken heart a kwabena mpena no fa.
There's a way to bukra mo nye.
Nya boa ma manfo nya broken heart.
Eh, it's a mo nye. Ente sa. Ente sa. Na wo nkwa kwabena fo. Kwabena. Emfe bida. Kojo emfe bida.
Na unim kwabena fo no
ya emfe bida.
Kwabena fo na ya na kobi ba mu a.
I'm always confused. Adena, edi back na kobi. I say Emmanuel.
Aye.
Obedi body no say your friend Emmanuel. Your friend. Mo. It's only once I'm most among all the day bonds. Mo kwana just say kwabena mai ni kobi. Once kwekwa ya ni dia sa da. Enti kwabena pacho me to bi emfe bi dra. Maybe mbani na be kakra ba mbe ma ne die.
Embe say you
said DJ Holy or show me some style but mimiti her my candidate. Emfe bi o. Emfe bi da.
Are ne da say ye be sen share bi o. Why into fi ya okwa he?
Me other things. Me koye other things. Me it maybe wo me dex.
All right. Are ne da say
me da
say. Da say pa. All right, ye be here. All right, I'm saying I'm queering Nkoma hodo anano pa ye ba ye be pie mu ewo ye newspapers ahodo no ene ye dia bro no ye nkwa anim e.
Welcome to Wednesday morning.
Your friend no Priscilla or friend mu she Maminchia Blackface enim tuntum brand up pay chia. Welcome to Wednesday morning.
Let's go. I see you. Hey, hey, hey. Yes, yes. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Can we do it together? You don't feel that vibe. I don't feel that vibe. Energy, energy. You don't feel that vibe. I don't feel that vibe. Oh. You don't feel that vibe. I don't feel that vibe. Hey, let's go. You don't feel that vibe. I don't feel that vibe. Oh. Let's go. Hey, go. To you. Listen. Bro, why you they worry? What be your story? You not give him. I say God go do one. Listen, why you they worry? What be your story?
All right, I'm saying Quedimina Yamfa.
Not get him.
Yeah, auto tip segment, no, and to us so Emfa Emma. And they are Baby Siadia Eddie Afa Triangle home.
You don't feel that bad.
And you my ben, yeah. And Pepine, yet who says, a man for cast, say, and I say, and Cardinia Fortana, Omayum Triangle, Nabisio. Una ma unse soko ko kama eye bi nso atachitwawura ebi twawura no de agu cars na nim no de agu akire ye ba bebisa se eno nso aka triangle ne ho bia na etia kwa hamane so na ye ne ye pahin a ye frɛ no Victor Ba Danso entwetwe enkomo dodo na frɛ na gentle Eja no pay yamu ache yamu akwa be de ba Max Morning Deal e Max FM yagidi ye pass no pay hu anyankopan do ma hoden wo ho
yo I'm saying I will be saying I am within the Victor Madanso in 2.
Oh okay.
Me certified instructor by DVLA.
Okay.
And I'm proprietor of Victory Science Drive Consult. I was Spinters Committee 18 Motorway Road Neso. The science of Bakonso Amasaman, I friend Global Express Driving School. And also Cemetery Junction, Franco Estate. And I pay Meda Masiwo Akwenya Modiamani. Yebeka Safa warning triangle. Now warning triangle no a follow a UBI friend useful safety equipment what's a winya we feed you. Send your can triangle it be song kania it be so Emma said a few say a car and answer truck a safety quema. A bit me as the quine kakra. If you say to me bought in Crofua a useful requiring in cocoa. Send a ya emfa akwenya bi ensan ba na triangle no the same ya kana na ebi light o koplogo wo car no na so light gira na eno no disadvantage kakra wo say o battery nya wani be ba ho so no na akun o battery no afi so warning triangle no ebi so wo no ma eno no they need light in the room, but a reflective material be a secania a toswa a reflective. We na a triangle a hodwa. Baby, so Becassi a be able to meet the cone, and also Essie a quinine. And also ya painting the coconi, fita, and now coconi yellow. Now, Emremuno, they say, can be before another truck be a basic one. So, I was saying, warning triangular a yembi so na be ya bibi kosia wo de abo nkrofo kokko na ya ma distance anase you can say e kwan bi a wo de besi honum e wo car no anim ene akire enkrata e de kira de na ebi tumi ka say e be 45 meters e coping 50 meters e wo anim na chin so 45 meters coping 50 meters e wo na chi books no ebi ka 45 ebi ka 46 and it's na match musa ama wahu no tie no na wodi bcc ewo ba bi aka na say anim ne akire na impembi no so no ewo say triangle no eye frame say trucks ne ade na etwam no mframa na ede ba na ya na ano ode kakra entumi hihi ana say enhwe ho se na be ya ebetumi asi ho o kasaro so sign board say binum bu enwura ne ade edigu ekwemu one disadvantage I want triangle no di siwa obehu ade be chi no obi atama afiri honom na ba bi won so ana emutwe kakra ti obehu se nkrofo abubu enwura edi egu a ebo nkrofo kokko na no aya na enye because of the nwura ni gu was awia na say accident no as say yini etwema woman yi no maja go eno betumi akoso accident because the uber brake was so at once a bema o car no accident a betumi ayi wafiri kwan no so nti ayi bebre wo honom the road traffic act no LI 2180 no eno so kan ho asem say unni saa warning triangle ni bia iti amra e betumi actual near final be 25 penalty units or to bear 50 penalty units, not more than 50 penalty units. Penalty units in the charge beer, yeah, the amount. Now, one penalty unit be 12 cities. Into the best time to buy, say 25, now they are times it. Say 15, now they are times it. And the say, I cry bit me, I can't find one. Now, you need to embrace a womb, baby, I definitely have to ask.
Na eja wadaroma ebere ben na wo se triangle we anase one triangle we yenyusu ebere accident abanko anase ebere yenka na nya fort empempi no accident ba dia yetan so omuta twanwura no na emom se car no enya fort nso a na the triangle no abesuo accident nso ba yebetimi the one triangle no asi ho ana
yo me da say yes before I dey car no besi kwan so na wo say we sure say warning triangle no mienu ewom nti enye say accident asin kwa na obeyusu triangle no eyemra efam ho say odi car ni besi kwan no nti ahya no me can say e be useful safety equipment to say warning triangle no any hose spanner with spare tire any jack no me ade ni nyina ka sa safety ho equipment no ho anti nye emra accident asin kwa na ye be use warning triangle
Ew enti aja wadaruma se ye ka nya fort na sa empofrim no ye ni warning triangle bi anase entimi entwanwura anase wura empo de wama yate ase se enye enti ya fa ne saa se ye nya warning triangle ni bi e de na ebetimi e de aye warning na e kire se ka ya sa yesi ha apart from warning triangle no
kan yebenya bibia eye reflective material nti mi kan say so wo cones ni bia na odi esi anim ni akire saa anasa ni na obi be share reflective material bi no ono so agina ho na wa direct ahyen na etwitwa mu no but eye mra say before I won efidie ni besi kwan so no e wo say wunya saa warning triangle no ewo
yo aja yanso ya na ye ni warning triangle na ya na ye two yen spare tire ni de ba kwa kwatu akire ni de ba kwa kwatu anim yenso ne kwan so a
enye kra
aja tu say the kwan so de ase ebe hu pa because
e betimi de obi anhwe yi no de ne tire ne kopem ne kakra na wanhwe ya betimi aba be cause another accident bio now ube hu triangle no mu no ebi wa abun sa ade bi fitaa bi ewom a yaye ne say exclamation mark eti on a show say other dangers no ebi ni say ebi ana obi da car na ase oye adwuma o car na ase enti e sign board kokko say hweyie na wan fa nkofa sa nipa na ebi a oda car na ase eye niye na say obi a ogina car no ho pe enti car ne de anasa afidie no eye truck anasa uru besi kwan so no e wo say o make sure say warning triangle ewom na say DVL for the emready na e wo hodada ba na wo mo nhye mu kana say wo mu hu sa ayi na compliance for no come be fine 225 cities bi em say make us say and then wo mu yi sa emra na ato na wo ma asakra mu kakra nti em say ne ya na e take effect nti kan no de anafidie no de besi kwan so na wo say wo make sure pa say wo warning triangle no ewom
yo aja yeja na wakono wafutu semben e na wo de ma driver for a mutie wa no pay
yo mefa kwanya iso echi a driver for a wo mo bo adwuma wo kwan so e de boa yemen cause enye ni pe nyina na wo afidie a wo mangasa be ka se private and say we ya wo betina wo madiem na ye nua no ma driver for nso ye tu onfo say yempenim die takra because abribia no driver ni koje license for the first time no nya license ni wi a na ɛyɛ class B no onim sɛ sisi wawie enti sɛ busua panyin kɔtɔ articulator ba sisi a na ɔpɛ sɛ odi mmirika kɔka articulator no but ne ɔka articulator ɛne ne ɔka ka ketewa no nsunsun yɛ wum ɛni ti nka ofi class B a na wakɔ class C na wakɔ D na wato aso sa na de akodu awie F no but driver for no empɛ ne saa ti mesrom sɛ wɔn nkɔ ebia woni mo kwan afa asusua driving no ebia na usua wo washing base ana sɛ usua wo fitamu ana wasua no awie no betumi akɔpɛ nim die wo driving school bi a DVL fo ama no abodin krata sɛ on trail driving no wakɔyɛ refresher kakra na ode abɔ wadwuma no ho ban because obi ɔyɛ pilot obi a ɔyɛ helmsman ana sɛ ebi no friend captain na ɔwɔ poso no wɔn nyinaa yɛ driver for nanso package na esan sɛ wɔn de ne nindi a wɔn fam ansa na wɔn ayɛ nti opie hanom a na obia asɔre ɛbɔ nsɛm ma wɔn nanso wɔn nyinaa yɛ the same driver for na ne ɔka loprin o ne ɔka ship o ne ɔka train o wɔn nyinaa yɛ driver for nti metu wɔn fo sɛ wɔn pre nindi mfa nka nindi na wɔn nim no ho.
Yo, Victor Ba danso into audio dwumadie ewo Victory Shines Drive Consult anopai yeda se ene adesuade awde amayen.
Yo, me so me da se ye bi ataba mu se emri bi a mo be friend so ye be ban kwan ye be boa na yetimi a kire me free association ba ko ye Ghana National Association of Driving School mo na me ye organizer enti se moto nsa friend ya e bitimi aba na abibia no yenuma be din komo fa kwan so kose ho
yeah aja no pay da se
Can we talk to you? Make you no stress about what you go wear, Baba God, he go sort you. He goes out to you. Even for the birds and the fish in the sea, Baba God, he dey come through. He dey come through. Make you no stress, you go there all right. All right. Inside. Oh, yeah, move to the dance floor.
Victor Banda so into and atwetwe nkomo no.
Make you no stress.
Extra ye kwan a ye befa so a ye one triangle hodo ye be yusu.
Birds and the fish in the sea, Baba.
Ebra ye nam ana ye nka anya emfomso ana sanya fort no.
All right.
Baby ye wo se ye mfansi ene kwan ye wo se ye yusu no ene wa kire no. Ya papa kire mu se ye na ye nka enya fort na eja yensi kwan so na ye twetwa nwura egu so no enye esanse se ka bi di America pa na so ba no bebo break e so etimi e de accident ba yenso ye na ye de indua hodo ne eja hodo ekogu kwan mu etoda amanfo yi omo spare tire e ka sen na eno kra so han de ba ye o chim se nyina no enye esanse ka bi betimi aba be fa so kra ma ebe ha dwen pa eme no kra so de san fofre beba afen so osan so e kan ni ye so se ye yusi warning triangle na ye momode an se ye benya ne a eye reflective se na bi a ka bi bana se ne kanea no egu so a obehu se warning triangle esi anim ho enkonko ba se yes triangle ntia na triangle bi asa na esi ho na ye hu hwe da bi enti yeda na se anopai wa me yesua de yenko yanim DJ Holy Financier
Max FM. Max FM
89.7.
Welcome to Wednesday morning.
One more time, just you guys. Understand. My Savior will cover me. That's the original anthem. Everybody say,
Max FM. Max FM
89.7.
My Savior will cover me. Give me security under the collar. Under the canopy. My Savior will cover me. Are you under? Listen. It is raining all around me. I can feel it. The latter, sing it, rely on Jesus to give us, until we are, and we are. See, it is ready.
In fact, I know see a pa. Matinum way, I'm a Makaita Mania War Junior High School. And then Ukwada Biano, yeah, worship. Aha, and as you Ukwada. They are the worship, no equa say, Naja, Engineer Chiho say, I come cool.
Are you ready? Say, send your fire.
Yantu,
Holy Ghost fire. Send your fire.
and I know my classmate phobia na me no mo e junior high school na no mo huma musikumi. They said yes I won't pound some cry one pa. And I'm saying pa akomko. Holy anope yada say anope wa mama Philippa. All right, I'm saying I'm akwa ba fe na do afidie na to awonyira ye wa ba fie Max FM 89.7 Max Morning Deal. And wasugusu a wutie ne frame kumi kasa. Max Morning Deal jumadi e ba akwa Monday to Friday. Anopa no nsia kodu anopa no nkron. Enkoma hodo abepue mu o man mu. ya brabo mu nkomo ya setena mu nkomo ye tena se ye bobo ho yesua de etiene nso ye da foforo ye de ndi se na ye jamu de ama sports park eya na no pase ye so de ana ye bekodwa so akota de enti ye nkohwe se anopa ye de na badwa so ye mfase dama mega cash lucky box ukodwa so de kwan bia so behia sika so atiase ese ye hia sika ya busuafo moa yen ofra busua pan kromfa na senti ana Max FM and the Max Mega Cash Lucky Boss Jumedi aba bomodi aso be fa phone wadale star 426 star 8 hash star 426 star 8 hash and for hone network bi awoso select number 2 Max Radio and which boxes we beba fa ba kon boxes no emu NS wo enfia wedi bosheme 5 Ghana cedis ni achire fashem ka say the boy na wo to no the boy na usika no eba pi the boy na usika no ye kese no na udi kese enti hye ne nso enu achi wo betwan umomo prompt no abopi ni dia shem ye be ma message wedi ska onya no wo ba bia agise Max FM wo de kwe na kotie stations ahodo na hwe ubedi udokono kwa yemfa sedama Masby osi enkancho se bomodi ambra be piem yen showroom ho ye de niam ahodo pia ba be piem o maimu na ye promotion for francis ye kone ya tuni din buy 2 for less promotion e koso nti bomodi ambra be piem ya so ye mia wani mia won hene mia won nsam buy won nsam tony mamba komakomienu ye ma promotion esi wa ya de se obepiem e o Masby wa tony mamba komakomienu nti je ye de chew ye te so de amount unya no ba bia agise Masby into the obodra ye showroom ho na wa bisa promotion na matuni din buy 2 for less na maba me be tony mamba komakomienu nti mo ntete so emfa mame nti bomodi an cheche mu bia che ne amede ama bomodi aso be frɛ ye 0544 019552 0544 019552 ye kwaso ayegina Masby ye so ene akofa phones ahodo aba na nansan foforo credit aba ye se bomodi ambra be deposit 100 cedis na ye mfa mobile phone ne ma na ko use na tua ni kakra unya no ba bia agise Masby enti ye phones ahodo bi te se Philips Essence 20 yes so e Philips Essence 10 a chese space na wo so no eso pa eye 256 gig and dem esanso ama obi dia ka ho ne bo nso de da famu pa so ati ase be deposit 100 Ghana ye ma mobile phone ko isi ni kakra so ati ase nyina no Masby nsa no bomodi anso be frɛ yen 055 sorry yamfa ne biom 0544 019552 0544 019552 enkyerɛkyerɛ mu bi a wopɛ enkyerɛkyerɛ mu bi a kyɛn ne amedi ama we bomodi anso be frɛ na yɛmfa ma wo Masby bomodi ambra be piem ya so ye na beto ye ne mapa ne bi ye ne sa no na bomodi a dwumade bi a wudi fabra na ye mo hu dawura mfa ma wo fabra ye nton fa ma wo wansa ne aprapra mu kama no e be prapra mu di ama wo na enche na ye twe ho ye ba na ye de ye street vibe dwumade na bra wo enche ibe twe ho ye ba na ye de ye street vibe dwumade na bra wo ada ye bisa se o first time o baby e ka kire wo se ono anyam na experience ne te sen o fa ne sen o first time o baby e ka kire wo se o kwamna anyimre me no won komo bi o enkomo ben ma yendi o phone so se dabi enkomo we de agise me hia o enti anyimre uye free abrafie na yeni nkomo yo eba ne sa na be ma onso no da bonsam jam ba modin akoyo se asem ana no ayi Bo se be mani ase ahyase tata na okoma ahyase ebo aw ana no ayi aw ye bisa se o first time oba bi ebue na no ka kire se ono onyam na experience ne te sen wakoma bo sen o fa ne sen ana ebi so a oyoba o first time ohun se ye agoro amikodi ye ehun sunsuanso aba na sunsuanso we nso de ye ma nanwe ho kra o fa ne sen na ede na wo ye first time oba bi e ka kire se awrade reta ba bia wo bia mi chewa no pay my first girlfriend o ka kire so na manyim ye friend reta o tia wade asinti me pese me di ni dimba ko ne be ka ho masa enye ize ena fam say me say me wo hoyi me first born e ba me say anyamia ene ebisa me sa denti na me say anyamia ena me say o doctor kora hwe me mojam say enya de am wiase amaba kora betimi awo pressure me the pressure keka bi agum sabe me the pressure keka kwasi asem doctor say I have moja ma se me kura wiase ameba mi ntime nwo ena akwada di gina ho na mi gina ne nchen ya photocopy set ye ni enti ye kwaba na ye bisa se o first time oba bi bo amane se ona onyim na etesen oba o first time akodi wa agro bi ana wani na nyinsen eba ye no o fa ne sen akoma no na ebo sen ye pesa wo ne ye nche na ye hu you see eya na de ba ko na ha adwen ne se eya na yesana nyinsen ne basa na ahopepre ne pressure nti etimi tu anamon bi a ensem fata ye mu pi nyinsen ne ba ye tugu ye yigu ye ene ye ti awade ase ene eba no kra ye nya bi ene obi nya ya na nka ye emi ne manka me wontem but nyinsan ne di kan ba ye but esan se nyinsan ne ba ye no o se enyo no a ena nyinsan di menye ready emokoyi nyinsan ne gu ye yen na me se sade we manhu ne ntam me ma me wo mu nyina me ma me na hwe omo me ma me wo mu nyina se eba me se enya me na me ma me age eba me se enya me na ma me age so ati ase se mu onkwala bebre na minim kura sanka ye wo a na nka ye ma me no be hwe omo kura ne sanka nkoda yi aka me ye into de ye ba be di nkomo ene nkomo ye nkomo a ye besua de wani so beje pa ye besre so pi amanfo be hwe omo experience nti ye nkomo ketwa Max morning do your friend kumi kasa ye ba na afei ama ho kwan no aba mu na woni ya che wo experience first time o baby ana ba ma bi about two mu
On the two, I see Jesus standing as a call. Singing hallelujah, amen. I see Jesus standing at the corner. Let's go, yeah. Say, I see Jesus standing as a corner. Singing hallelujah, Jesus standing at the singing hallelujah. One more time. I see, put them. I see Jesus standing as a corner. Singing hallelujah. Singing hallelujah. I see Jesus. Jesus standing as a corner. Tale. Another one. Listen. Missy, yeah, wonder. Yeah, wonder. Yeah, wonder. After you, yeah, wonder.
One day, Anna, Max by per se, yes, sie sika bebree. Bisa me say how? Max buy at the bundle offers akesi obi entimin take ebro. Buy 2 for less. Banabeto TCL washing machines and a kettle for only 5,530 Ghana cedis. Na save a cool 300 Ghana cedis. But to Infinix Smart TV and a smartwatch 3,000 Ghana cedis per. Afesuma Sanka Techno Common 40 Pro and a smartwatch for only 3,170 cedis. Na see a 250 amunumuwa. Max buy showroom and memo baby and I shop it online at www.maxbuy.com.gh. Frame 054 401 9552. Nebisa bundle promo no na jiweni kra. Max buy quality you trust, prices you love.
This Saturday and every Saturday on Max 89.7 FM. Connect with your school. Which school has produced the brightest mind? What is your school renowned for? Find out as high schools and colleges go head to head, vying for bragging rights and glory. Don't miss this chance to witness history in the making. Join us for an unforgettable morning of respirited debate and fierce competition. Presec Secondary School, 7 times winners. Omo producing NASA Intelligent.
Atomic Energy Commission Okrumano. Omo yede wo.
Kono Presec can say go up.
Kumasi High School, Truth Conquest. Yanka say Truth Conquest.
Truth Conquest. When St. Augustine is talking about, Adisade is talking about the best is always good for Adisade. And then St. Augustine, perseverance, conquest, on. Truth is what? Then I
Truth Conquest. Mo persevere, mo yedeyon. It's truth that conquers at long last.
School Connect. Link up with your former mates and be part of your school once again. Schools Connect. Be part of the competition.
Follow me, and I'll make you fishers of men. Matthew 4 verse 19. Tune into Max FM and listen to Evangelism Focus, a program brought to you by courtesy of the Global Evangelism Restoration and Focus movement. Do you belong to a church and desire to win souls? Or are you into evangelism in any part of the world? Then join us and be a member of this movement. We help to win souls for existing Bible-believing churches. Your host is the radio evangelist, Deacon Danny Glover, a seasoned evangelist from the International Central Gospel Church, Royal Temple, Awoshi, and founder of the Global Evangelism Restoration and Focus movement, Global ERFM. He has over 30 years of experience in evangelism, so you'll be greatly inspired as you listen to him. Tune in this and every Sunday from 5:30 to 6 a.m. and you will be blessed. For enquiries, call 0244 955 425 or 050-9038-893 or visit our website www.restoreevangelism.org. Evangelism Focus. Let's focus on evangelism.
Are you frustrated by late deliveries? When you're professional, no one install you AC and TV and the insurance cry. Essence due kesi every Max buy abba. Better TVs, ACs, refrigerators, and washing machines. And Max buy now enjoy free delivery and a professional installation within 24 hours, all within Accra and Tema at the comfort of your home. I send you now absolutely free delivery and installation. Order online now at maxbuy.com.gh or visit selected Max Buy outlet to start shopping. For more details, call us on 054 401 9552.
What a guan, me conscious brethren. Your favorite roots rock reggae tunes with inspirational vibes. Reggae Max on Max 89.7 with DJ NY comes your way every week, Mondays to Fridays, 12 noon on Max 89.7 FM. Reggae Max, feel the natural mystic flow in the airwaves right into your VAs. What?
Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. 'Cause reggae is strong.
Kumi kasa eye baako pɛ edin no eye baako pɛ menkɛse kwasi ada untumi fa duadan so untumi fa bladan so kumi ututu ka ututu dam ututu tam waje bam watu fie watu bum watu todan obaje bam betu kam kumi kasa that the TM state governor ebe shew
Maji wedi tina me dane di wunji di misi bisa ko ofi wona me fe eliti so bi fe be dia ka echika me di ochame kwame utie Max Morning Dew ewo Max FM kosua fili masaya se
Welcome to Wednesday morning.
Ada na busia wa unim dada unya tinisi ana emra so ye street vibe segment no ye de toa so e de amount na ne no enkomo no wani tua na ye bisa se bema o first time oba e ka kire wo se one onyem no ye pese oni ye enche na experience ne te sen feeling ne te sen oba o first time eja ukodi agro kakra na wadi na se nyinsem beba oye test ana se wa hu se onyem ana se obi bo wa mane se onyem no feeling it sen ofa ne sen uyam hyew ana ofa ne normal ede na oyeye afutuo be na yede ma yenua no mamuti ene se onu obi ekodi agro bi na se nyinsen eba mu putupura enye nyinsen tugu asem ene wose yeni hu nkomo ekwamen na ofa so a onya oti edidi mu na yeba wa mane ne kura na ofa ne sen au ye amanfo bp bebreye nyina no eho na hye ase ewo samia na me call hospital yese be de no bq chese metwa mu bp sami so anomai wo ho ada wo yaba kwamna me na onyem wo ho ada wo yaba kwamna me na onyem so ati ase enti yanya nize kura ye bisa se o first time o girlfriend ana so baby bo wa mane se ono onyem no o fa ne sen o fa na kuma pam anaja o ho popo kakra sada no ko fie kura me da bi wantimi anda ka no kura wantimi anda he o first time o ba ka che so ono onyem enya adwuma ketwa na sabio yan kura etia wade ase kura se yiri ka kire so no yenyem kura mpa yentimi na yo iti yankwa hamane so na yane abusuafo atwetwe nkomo yana mane nie 0550055522 sorry yan fan biom 0550055522 ana se 0551598321 0550055522 and I said 0551598321 yankwa hamane so pacho when you
Pacho, good morning.
Yes sir, we didn't baby afrefi
Pacho Bobby.
Oh chairman original Bobby international man anopa yentio
Pacho, mama, good morning.
Yes sir, yajo so
And
now from well,
I mean, media no good, you know, the Senate community, I cry. Magnico, you mambo, Yaman. You be, but then I say, if your big Fitana, and I say, a cobo, Mamma, and I say, Sinatu. Mam says, I think we are to the Kufi of Papa, woo. You call me man crew or I'm gonna to hold it here. To open a man say, hey, you're fast now call Papa.
awokɔ awakɔbɔ ama no ne yɛhu deɛ na mefiri hɔ so baa kraa no metuba mo ama no na maa me frɛ m papa bɔ na ma no sɛ na ɔba na yɛ was the one to see the coaches and the coaches the ansana then on India
international na enye no krakra mpo
enye no krakra
asemen kredi yo ati Bobby anopai yeda se dabi wantimi agina so dabi wantimi agina so yensan emfa foforo na yenko yanim mpacho hwani o.
Hello.
Morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. Would you maybe Afrifi?
Yeah, from me, man. Because Africa, so.
You, Brian, my NTA way. O first time now experience net is saying.
I have some more. Now, me need begin it. I know from me, say 1 year. Yeah, make day. For that, then the Kujuma make that sound. Obi amen ko ye juma da na simply say evangelist na man premise me data na mania and easy after no one be 2 weeks after 3 weeks after there oba from me so yin say na say am we ya na say what you say am say no yin say the it means say advance better and the way everyone may name you a blabomu to yeah. Say the metaphor about the crab you made.
Iba adena obano na o twen se o ne be wo na.
Oh, say I am the ya. See the media kola plan na o yoko use sen. Oh. I am the metaphor about it.
Oh, Kafra, what? Kafra, you. Ain't you mad ye or Trimso no need any dear tea no, and any jesem you. You my way idea, on to say mamma for front on patch when you.
Patch you.
Hey!
Oh, we can come to the record with you.
Malam oh, Malam. Anopedia. Memo achen.
So, Mr. Kumi, Majoso.
Malam Yegusu.
Mr. Kumi, Mr. Kumi, the Jewish probably been as a United States bar, as I say, you didn't know young Thompson. Now, a better so experience, not amount for being sooner be extreme. Mr. Kumi, the woman is as not making many days. Says they are or ban bomber money, sir, on your money. Me shame, but me shame, sir, a man and a black, and now a beautiful fraud drama, or they be shame. But me one shame, sir, what you saying? If you say no crime, sir. Now you're a natural lad, a man, all of me. I'm even inquire, you be a mere 37. Which means nothing more. Mr. Committee, we say, young mamma, a good officer, or by the way, say, 1 hour for family being a bar. And a sudden on our money, sir, at least Mr. Committee, in your background on Waramia. Ain't not your boy, man, through say, or Batina, is just a woman higher. Ain't I can't even Mandian to Mania. Usually, it takes 3 days, Mr. Kumi. Emma made Brema or confess and pass a year because nothing may be watching. I mean, you do every 2 minutes, Mr. Kumi, then Kwa and a quarter or 2 minutes over with you. No more, we say, let it work and continue. I could be on a more very disciplined house in Tino. Enti menkwame kokoropoto me ho fa ni abanye me na moba sa na o sika bi a o jesi ni sister ho me nsa kan sika no dia nko be gina bo fa no ti me nsa nka ti ko report ni sister no say e dey think na ase me hia sika yi se kuma ase me tinti me tete na me say endi tu me eduma ama enne 2025 SHC a nkwalaba be koyi on my first born, I'm in Cafe, Yama. Saturday, yeah, one bed and the coach every year. So, upon birthday, dear Mammy TV, so sent to about 3 years and can at the same time. When a life experience, me from money, one minister, never bearing into a man can see me, Kwama, a fan so handsome so year, ya new should and the organic boy, and my water man, and Yagum, and I say, I have heard and Walla, when I experience I shall much for and pay.
You, Malamaziz and a payer that's it. Why? But you don't know about the member for TBB about Yana. Yababeje encheche muti Malamaziz ena yetene kano me pahin ba kwana meneno edi medwumade wo baby ana me wo no o correct pa ene seja eti Malama no pa yeda se hello hwanie
Thomas yo good morning.
Yes sir Thomas anopa ugina ho na akoto
anopa me ya wadi nso na etokra me ni nemo tamakra
ya wadi ma me menua Yo, na ye bisa se ede di kanya oba ebo wa mane se ono onyem no ofa ne sen.
I mean me say dem me because no ba na me neti. Me neti nti o ka tell me say onyem no. O fa ma mo bi kwa no ba na me dey say ma wo ba ko. Me dey ba say ma wo ba ko nti me dey o fa say experience me nya no me dey ebo ami. Ebo ami pa nti me dey ya ka ma tani. Nemo o fa ma mfa ntia ba ko ma discipline. Why I dear pa and put here, it's a pa, not a conya about Conya, we can't be a
you. Atamax yada se pa 0550055522 and I say 0551 598321 0551 598321 and 0550055522 ye bisa say o first time bema bi enu kodi agro bi eka mu no ohun say na wonyem no ofa ne sen experience ne te sen anamon be na otu ye bema so o first time oba bi ka kire say ono wa fafuru no ofa ne sen obi wo ha na onisa akoma no ye na ma wofo be hu se menyim na so achiase ye no ebra ye boy amane ye se ahye yenyim no na ye da ye ma me ne ye papa no mo nan ase etoda ye beda ye se kwam na bra be table no na da na wa mu no ye table ansa no ada onso asa akwahyenyim tiende ye ba ne se na so enye ye nim ho hwe wa wani tua pa so zaja yo yankwe na yentie ne abusuafo ewo ka 0550055522 mpacho hwan nie
hello
ye
Kobi no
Kobi Kobi frefinfa
Madina
yo Kobi yentie we
we dem dey meet no aba me meet pa it is a me to me aba me meet me go fit ape
na adenti na oyam hye wo aden adenti a eyo nwanwa se oba nanyem adada unu mujidi ana so be ma na nya adwumenti na wo eyo wo se and na just say o ka say yo nwanwa di ase na onya ya na onfa ngumu ahu yo ya te Kobi ya da sinti akwada no ho wa hu yo ya te Kobi ya da se Kobi chirim se oba no e ka kire ne se onu nenyem no ye no nwanwa asemen kwani yo wa kofa ba so anu hwan nie
Good morning.
Yes sir, udin baby afrefi.
Indi gidi on Frefi Pampran.
Yo. Ko gidi yentie we.
That time I mean to be the Pakoni yes away no many mammy need to be channel not from we have fine for indication say mammy and you or catch a mammy mammy so you need mammy so can you master papa and see mammy so that every catching is cool. And the Omar so problem but never said or Martin until after Omar friend Omar can be journey. Let me see you, Mark. He said that there no problem. And to more person no more than him no more every man until me that when the enemy shed near me.
Ain't ya colano eh? Sense said your waji, Anna.
Media, but my mini casa de mini said that
you. Why are dear what? Why are dear? Why are dear? Any pabayan, why no? You. Why are dear? Why are dear? You. Young que 0550055522 and I say 0551598321. Young que when ye
hello,
ye why
Mr. Lord, you just from Somania. What after me, Nosman?
You bet me afro saying
Nosman.
Nose Max.
Yeah.
And they are quite never some papa. Yo, nose mask, yenty away.
Oh, I made it.
Yeah. Nose mask.
I call 3 months to move 4 months. No, brother, as I mean, say, you know, Namuka say, I prepare call, then I name my miracle is done. Say, mammy, I don't know, I know how it is, and my minister says, I so doing you ba. A horn and Mr. Say, not someone or yes, and keep to any brother, I was here. I fine, I got no. You have ever would be a lazy by a food.
Sir, Major says it's your sharp colony, dear.
Oh, fine, come up, no hospital.
You. Why are there no smacks? Yada say, hello.
Hello.
Udin baby Afrefi.
I'm in the Kwame, if referee playground.
You, Kwame, yentie o first time or baby catch us Kwame. Aduma na we na swaba pa feeling it to sing.
Oh, that normal mo. Well, I just say, okay, you know, like not because I mean, and chair mo dear. But okay, and I will say, okay. About the side, I said, the reality of but now, madam, for me, so catch me so on you, and I will carry so there. But who crowd will catch a big one, I will say, wow, catch us on you, crowd, getting you here, crowd, and away. And I will say, me, call you be the
no, Obanyuma Shen, no, Omobana way. And no, catch us, oh dear, oh, could you, dear, no. Why, dear?
Because June, you have started. And I remember about the way. This is a crab, me not crying, now I'm in a cost school class here.
Say, you. At the same. Oh, Tia ye, papa, oh, Utia ye, pa, what do you couldn't? Yamia to charge you, why lucky, oh. O papa tia futu na nanka obete sanka hello yanka o kana no pesa ka betimi aka when you conson udi e wo Ghana card so no na ma minim se e fro conson you na conson free fifa tema you conson yentie we
the first time I don't know because once I you're young father and
and shut down ambo who be as What's it?
It's because when I change it, yeah, because once in a what's when you're on it, then I am, yeah.
O de ane ba na wo ye adwuma wa hu. O de ane ba na wo ye adwuma.
I don't know yeah.
Yo. Anam say o de ane e ba na wo ye adwuma wa hu. O de ane ba na wo ye adwuma.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because once I think one in said that I never happen. You don't know yeah.
Yo.
That's why not think that is yeah.
Yo, konso Nyankopon hira wate. Nyankopon hira na omo ahoden a odi sika so beka ho a obenya bi di ahwa akoda no na mboa bi a akoda no so de beboa ne papa no fa mboa no 20 years de enche ono so bekwa kofa jinsi abeto so hello hwanie.
Oh me papa you dey to keep your secret
ampa
nti aya me from papa ne say me papa de Emmanuel Kumi ne mani ni na obia de Kumi nti se me tse obi de Kumi pe na ma fa ne se me papa ma de nyina
ampa medase na we nyina achi no eya na ye nhwehwe mu ebia na papa nso akodi agro bi oba bi na ode awo minti ye nhwehwe mu ye
papa ye kua pimi ni pa
me nso se o hwese na kasa yi ko ya me nso ye kua pimi ni
miti ho pa
so ati ase yo iti udi no keep your secret wa hu
mpachai
yo na afre finfa
no tashi tiblo
wadaro ma
ba ko pa maka
yo anopa de atwi embre na yenti o
me de ene de ofre me that time na me juma sem na me nkwa juma nti na me wo fie and ofre me de me abani kaka bi eta me ho e ho na me friend se ombra di ni pie ye ko toto ade ma no ma mu se ye zi ade obewa ma mtimani ade for 3 weeks and ofre me ka kire me sai sani mi wo fie na me nkwa juma na me wo fie no na o hwese o ka hwe me a me ka hwe ne se o nkonyi nyinse na na mi wa so onyem ti me so me de ene de o ka hwe de me mani die ba na onyem na o hwese be juma sai na me wo fie ne se nyinse ya ba me ka hwe ne se o nkonyi na ba me so man ka sa nchem ka je so ti me de experience wo
enti enkoda ntade ne enkoda fidi mboto no hyase yusu ya na
me hyase to toy pa that time na me sister so was store enti me kwa no bi san say na pampers motor ne san we motor ne so bi sam say adam so nya ke me ta ko chi obi
enti akire hu say ye nyinse no pampers no ne keka ho no bo wade ya na de ye den
me de ko cha me sister
yo yate keep your secret ya da say why yada se pa yemfa for course enka ho na yemfa ofrejumade no ensi ana international so de yenko anim ana wanye
me de la beauty oja
mami na no pay it sen
da so I drink trade ya I am the pan of away
yada se mandela
Kaita mame ne be mani tie na be mani do me pan so me fa nyi sent o ka che me se onye be di se obewoye nti o ma me dro se me nkonko yo no ano ma me dro no de me ko da de nti no so senti o fa me so ne man fa ni easy kra
madela we de o de na ba senti oyima wana
when yes ana me dwane ba me ma me ho
enti ena akola no how many years
but akola no 17 years kama
na o papa bua ye de ana so papa da so ehwe ne de
bua se akra ni be bi o papa no ba ni nyina echi ni ta ne ko wo ye nti o mu ye echi
Madela fache anopedia say yakao ya kakra na nyina no eye why Yankopon so nhira no wadwe mpa 17 years de why Yankopon ya dum ne nya sika so ebe kai o why ti bompa ne nya sika na nka why Yeah, that's it. Yan cow ya na so say sika ne bi na. Emma ye. To the kai one pipe boom yes you be kai baby a will be ana. Sika be kai. 0550055522 and I say 0551598321. When ye Masa Bass.
Masa.
Adaru ma ofre fifa.
Fefi Madina.
Yo, Masa Bass ano pay yentio.
Mi experience of ya no. Oba no. Wa me kan che me so onyimu. Wo wa na papa no me fa me ko police. Amani go to police station to no say. Wa say me materna for me pano. Me master ka say on 2 point go so. Nti eno chi am go ba no am ti dele me fi. Dino ka che me man so on mediana. Na me so wa. Ni ne chi o sa de ko court. Ana court bi say ni akwan be wa na be ni. Ana me so ye ka so yi ni sen ni se ga now. Could you believe say papa no ma edition there o so me mba akola no ma ne ba no na ti fi akola ke 8 years ni mo ko ni da
wa oba 8 years hu ne da oh
because the papa no okoya no say on them asem ti no mo person be papa no o ti mi tu mu first one I actually me second one and so the police on car say a man say near police station ka say near the court nti say bia me hwa akola na pass court so tell me say that you yen sika nto no le na but the baba no wa na ma semba and say baba na to ma cho say e ko sun na papa enyo no na mi si
na anamon be na utu ade afa ho se oba 8 years akodi baabi omfa wani hu no one ne ntimi nkasa anamon be na utu afa ho
ni ma kuja foto na kitabayo ntamuka chani kwa maana kwa no te jinsi ni o ma me wone ka chani ni dia kwa na mzuba kwa na mo betu ma do ni abana kwa chani ni hizi ni ndio be nchezi ni kwa maana apaye ni tempe adua ayu kwa hii ni ndio be
bomori ase one o papa na se wabusuafo ebe twetwe nkomo yi anase mobedi sa nkomo wa hu na boaboa ho kakra keka nsase kakra na mo nkogya wo why bibia be kama
okay
why ensuro kra so ba ne de oni naja na uma ohia na na
oba ne ono frame me je me se no ne ba so ko nyam ka ono ba na me dai so mi ne bu fo enfa
dabi emuano why batakwala ne de bomodian na one wabusuafo nkasa na kogya akola no 8 years de bi wom oyo ba na bema o first born bema dabi kogye no why first born bema de ya na eye kogye no wate
da so
yeda se oh so say papa no yodi nsini onti no utu se uja fusuro oh uja fusuro so ati ase so wo bia ba say disini right afi na usuro obema kora ira na o de trase baraka baba show pepe banchideje baraka baba show asama walking on the way baraka baba from where baraka baba show adway asama ba enti nyinsa no wanu akwafa ba wanu akodu agobone ya na eba ni sia na saani afutu ya na awofo bi edema wanu akodu agobone na abanchi no wa tuhu anamo etoda kran so awofo ni bi etimi pam oba ne se fifie bema no no onyem no na kotena bema ne so ati ase na eba ni se ya ni titru ni se ya na yesu ano eno na obo se yetimi bema ne mmoa ne ho ye na oba na busuafo ahye ne kete se kokotena bema ne so nti eno sa na obo so mo ye nkoda na ye twempena efe ye nyina se ye nyina ye hu se mekura na nka nyo ba nka mepeni anka nye bema nka mekura mepeni na emom no nyinse na aba na busuafo fo so se me ne ntena na obo so omumu atete eba ne se ya na enema ma akɔ den de ama akɔda no ɔba no ne bɛrima no nyinaa nti ɛbɛsra awofo no ɛba ne sanso a ma mo mpa mo nkɔda ne sɛ kɔkɔkɔkɔtena bɛrima no so wai ɛsrɛ mo ɛna ɛyɛ na mpɛpii no nso ɛyɛ na awofo no nso ka ho sɛ nkɔda no ɛnyɛ mo saa na wɔne na ahodoɔ ne trɛta ahodoɔ ɛyɛ na awofo no de ma nkɔda no nti ɛyɛ na ɛma nkɔda no nso abɔ hu sɛ yee nyinsan abɛyɛ a mekɔbɔ ma awofo amaneɛ yi anhwɛ a yɛ ma me nna fie anhwɛ a yɛbɛpam me papa school fees kura me papa ntua biom nti ɛba ne si ya na wɛneɛ yɛnyi na afei ɛno nso de nkɔmmɔ foforɔ akɔ ɛdɛ akɔba yɛde mu nkɔda ahodoɔ pii a yɛnyi ama nkɔda no ahwerɛ mo nkwa nkɔmmɔ no akɔda no wuye no na ɔnyem yɛ mekɔbɔ me papa amane a mekɔbɔ me mame amane ɔbɛyɛ me sɛ nti na ɛwɔ sɛ ɔnyi ɛba ne saa asɔbɔ no yɛbɛtumi de abɔ awofoɔ no nti yɛbɛsrɛ wae sɛ ɛba ne saa na manya abotrɛ ɛde ama nkɔda no wae ɛna bɛrima bi nso a ebi a afei na wosi so na wonyɛ adwuma afei na wohyɛ abrabɔ ase nyinsɛn ne ba agye wahu ɛyɛ na yɛawofoɔ nom yɛ maame nom na ɛde suro bi ahyɛ yɛ mu ɛna wonyiyɛ ɛna wokɔwo ɛna wobɛhwɛ ɔboa ɔmo boa saa nkɔmmɔ no nyina ɔmo boa medeɛ da bi a mebɔ me maame aba so menyinsɛn ahodoɔ a mehyɛ nyinaa maame na ɛhwɛ nkɔda no maame na ɛhwɛ nkɔda no maame na me menim sanka maame bɛhwɛ nkɔda sanka mehyɛ nyinsɛn bɛ 1.4 so ate aseɛ nti yɛbɛsrɛ nkɔda no ɛyɛ na maboɔ mu wae ɛyɛ nkɔla bɔ no deɛ nanso ɛnyɛ yia yɛmfa last caller na yɛmfa frɛ dwumadeɛ no nsi ampakyɛw last caller wodi baabi afrɛ fi
with the gift we frɛ so too
yo ma gift ya ne anɔpa so tuom na yɛntie wa anɔpa yi
me deɛ ba na me wɔ me yanke ho ti o pa mo me sɛ ne me nkɔ bɛ ma no
wa hu nkɔmɔ yi na me di sese ya no
me ba ne maame mo maame sisi we wie school betra so akɔnyim de me yi ama o adi so bi me ye bi da me first time na ekɔ bad say na me say me san dwane akɔ ekura na so na ti be tena abe 6 months kwa na be ma no kra oni ti ka me maame ne me sisa mo ye ready say mo de na na akɔ yi na me je na me bi tran ya me ti son kwala na na me dwane kɔ ti me kwa ya me say ke ba ni so ono kra because na say da oda nti na me say ni ayeye no eso so so na aba no nti ya tena only akola no we SS me una menete
one sa be mana na ete ene
say mbo mu na je say the first na dey akola do say na ye na obi hu say ye choice
ampa
say na ye hu say ye choice
enti mami wakwa yen last caller ye futuo be na ode ma ye nuanom mba kudi agro say na eba ne si a omonye den
futuo won say me membo de minya 18 years 20 ansa me koye me first one but you say nkola na omonto omo boase no anka bia sa 20 years me to me boase kra na me wie ni ame pese me yanka bia me ame hunya me pe but you say aye how ofa ha onini what I say you know what I yeto yebo ni yenya ne yepe ansa ya hwehwe be ma ye ne betina ti bia ye nto boase na mane for no say omo ndwe ho kakra because e ko ba ne sa we pia wo ba na hwe bibia one person that now e be do e je ne no sa ko dane ha o kina men kai na
yo mami anopa ye da se ene wa futuo wai ye da se pa na me hwe se me ne pahin ba kon e be twetwe enkomo na enkomo ya ye di waboa ye me hwe se me sabeka Mr. Kofi e wo yoko a na wakoye papa payin o wonim de wo nkomo bi se ho ne de onfa futuo ema ye nuanom emema yititru nyinse na eba ne sei brai na yesua na ekwan menso na yemfa nti yenhwe se DJ Holy ebeboa na yensa ka Mr. Kofi ewo oyoko a
papa kan shrewa baraka papa showa abofra tagu yesu baraka papa showa
eya ye de nyinse ne ba eya monye showa
pepe
ɛyɛ na yɛn papa no ɛyɛ na ɛtɔ da yɛ again so sɛ wakɔgye w'ani ɔno atenka unya yɛ no wanya bi nti ɛyɛ na ɔyɛ yita ɔgye akɔla na hwɛ ne sa ɛyɛ na
wo mami aka nkyerɛ wa wo papa aka nkyerɛ wa abofra fi agoro yesu yefunu pin banjire
banjire
asama wɔkɛn na ɔdɛwe
enti yɛnkɔ na mepanyin baako a ɔboa me abere bi a me dwumadi ahodoɔ nyinaa me no na edi yɛfrɛ no Mr. Kofi ɔwɔ Koforidua Ɔyɔkɔ Kofi Ɔyɔkɔ ɛwɔ hama no so na yɛne ne ntwetwe nkɔmmɔ na Kofi Ɔyɔkɔ memo akye anɔpa yi biribi abɔkɔ
nyame adom biribi abɔkɔ menia
sɛ deɛ anhwɛ nkɔmmɔ no ɛha na ɛbɛfi aba o
mahu no
nti bibia nso ni ana momfa nkyɛ ai ana
yɛni choice
nti anɔpɛ nkɔmmɔ yɛ a yɛdi afotuo bɛn na wode ma yɛnnuanom mmɛma ɛyɛ a na yɛsi so sei na putupurunyi nsɛm ba se a ɛyɛ a na yɛsuro ɛkwan a yɛawofoɔ nom de yɛn bɛfa so yɛsuro ne ɛyɛ a na yɛmpɔta mu kura yɛte mu no ɛyɛ a na yɛsuro ne abusuafoɔ ne adɔfoɔ bɛka fa yɛn ho afotuo bɛn na wode ma yɛ anɔpɛ yi
sɛ kome me deɛ mede mafotuo no bɛma nkwalaa no sɛnti ne sɛ memenyiɛ ansa na menya 24 years na masua m'adwuma wie a mahyɛ aseɛ a meyɛ m'adwuma kakra ansa na metu saa anammɔ no enti bɛdu ne no memfoa so sɛ woyɛ younger age a wobɛtu saa anammɔ no ɛna menniayɛ a yɛka sɛ ba a awofoɔ no na ɛnya abɔtrɛ ne n'asefoɔ no mengye saa idea no ɛntom nti mede mafotuo no bɛkɔ ama nkwalaa no sɛ to wo bo ase na nya baabi a wobɛgyina na wogyina baabi a wobɛgyina wie a saa deɛ wei ɛntwam ɛdu baabi a ɛfono because ne fɛ ne sɛ watumi abɔ wo bla kɔdu baabi wadu na wawale sɛ bio sɛ wo so wobɛwe koraa no a obi ɛnsɛ wo kwan by saa berɛ no a wobɛfoɔ so nkwalaa berɛ mu no wotɛ bɔɔdeɛ mu sometimes wokɔto akwalaa bi baabi a ɔda wɔ nwura bi mu a bɛrima butu no soɔ na wobisa sɛ yie na sɛ ɔwɔ da hɔ sɛ nkra ne wɔ hɔ ɛne sɛ wona mu fie deɛ ayɛ a wontan hu ba wofefa fikyɛmfikyɛ no ho deɛ bi no mu yɛ a awerɛho ɛnti saa akwalaa no kɔda saa nwura no mɛ sɛ ɔwɔ kɔka no a ɔde bɛba kɔma no awofoɔ na sɛ awofoɔ deɛ yɛada no sum na bɔɔla biara de ba bɛgu yɛ so mesɛsi a mete wei mesɛ kome mede megye yɛ mfa so ho a sɛbe menya awoɔ no bi anka mɛwo o baa mema no mepɛ sɛ mokɔgyina baabi ɛna mɛtwa ma awɔ so by force ɛnyɛ nea mepɛ no no ɛnti ɛnɛ woyɛ me baa mɛnyɛ wade sɛ wokɔwo ɛde aba no magye me nana ahwɛ no menyɛ saa ready no ɛnti mentu akwalaa bi afo sɛ anaa mentu obi afo sɛ woba no kɔfa ba a so mu saa woyɛ ready na wopɛ ne saa deɛ a ɛyɛ wow choice bɛɛ me sɛ afotuo deɛ mema medeɛ da bia nkwalaa na meka sɛ hwɛ wo ho yie ɛnti meba o yɛ ne bi ka sɛ nkwalaa bi nyɛ yɛni virgin ɔbaa ma ɔna nti yɛ sɛ ɔyɛ virgin because da biara mede ne tena ase meda ma ayi kyerɛ no ɛna ɔni sɛ mede a meka nsaa na meteɛ nkwalaa nnipa bi ɔmo yɛ pretender nea ɔka kyerɛ wo no ɛyɛ different from deɛ ɔbɛyɛ bɛɛ mede a meka nsaa na meteɛ ɛti mema no hwɛ ɔmo ho so yie paa ɛna abiri ɛkyɛ sɛ nneɛma kɔ yie saa ɛwɔ saa ne dɛm a megye di sɛ yɛma yɛni kɔ nkwalaa no ho ne tu nkwalaa no fo yie a saa nneɛma wei ɛmma ɛfiri sɛ wo maame bɛhwɛ wo sɛ dɛn ɛnte sɛ wote wo kunu nkyɛn wokɔfa mpere w'anyi sɛ ne ba na wo maame bɛhwɛ wo a ɛnte sɛ w'anyi na wawale ɔbrɛ a wobɛfa mu no woyɛ dɛn ɛnte sɛ w'anyi na wawale da nti mena mentu akwalaa bi fo sɛ kɔ na wo maame bɛhwɛ wo wo papa bɛgye wo ɛfɛ ne sɛ wo ba no ahwɛ no asan atoa school so saa berɛ no koraa de bɛtoa school so no na ɔmo a wodii kan na ɔmo ɛsi ɛhyɛ aseɛ na ɔmo kɔgya wo kama bɛwo bɛwie a wobɛsan sɛ wokɔ school no ɔmo a na ɔmo dii kan na ɔmo kɔ na ɔbɛdi ɔmo akyi ɔnti mi da bia futu a mede ma nkwalaa no memfa bile mu nkɔma awofoɔ nkwalaa no hwɛ wo ho yie na wohwɛ wo ho yie a ɛbere ne ɛtietiaa bi na wafiri na afi wakɔde wo afi du hɔ no mo a atɔpa no wopa da ho fita no fa kɔpema anadwo obiara no ni ase wobɛtetɛ na wayɛ ɛyɛ berehunu medase
Mr. Kofi ewo Koforidua Oyoko anopa yeda se waje brani adaje ne yakasa ewo Max FM yeda se pa
mesem da se
you weekends meba fie ntie be kasa why
mate
yeda se you ya friend Mr. Kofi Koforidua Oyoko ena papa yewo ose ma muteta ye no munyai na munyinya International Holy DJ Holy.
Welcome to Wednesday morning.
But near Mr. Kofi Kano in a way, men betimi aye adwene. Because your kai said time and you no anya hwe kra na week no yet me ye 4-5 times a week. But I say, I about what I got tea sky, yeah, that way. A week away, yeah, just say, Unti, and what do you mean? I sound, yeah, you saw what they know.
Mama copy, Mama copy, Pesizatro, Benin Sona Wapo,
Max FM.
89.7.
Mama copy, Pesizatra, Benin Sona Wapo,
all right, I'm saying I'm queer. Yada say, well, by mu adventure, Hannah, and Breba, my quana, day, yen street vibe, you may know ABC. Yado Bibia say, well, by mu yada say. Na yen quiet YouTube no na yen komoi. Yen do media yedin na no yes streaming live on Max FM Ghana, Oko YouTuber. Obetimi enya ho kwan no na. Why should you media ni na ya the videos ahodo bi eba beto your YouTube host say ya the videos bi eba beto your screen so sisi anti bo mode ya say obefa phone wa ko YouTube Max FM Ghana na kohwe videos ni bi yanto na emema edin komo bi na emema kiremu se omu nyinya enom ho ye fe emema o ekiremu se so omu nyinya enom ho eye fe na minim no kure wasa nkomo we mu nti yenko na yenkotie se na mema edi omu nkomo ye wi a ye bedwen ho
ye ba kwa akunta ema no refi omu nhyɛ ne nso ye se akunta ye mema no ye nyina ne ho ye fe wu Emma Nintia CSA. Emma Asantia. Emma, ye know near who you feel.
3D full crack.
Emma, Semma Nintia Nasia.
First, I made you.
Yo. They say, and I know who you fair.
I'm out for sin. I says I could have the judge.
Mo,
or mine will wire fair.
Mo,
near names as who say you age with time. Yes, Bema.
Yes. And I put your bow so subit to my and say, one who say a man may engineer. And you age along with your man. Yeah. You age along with your husband. What I say? Ebia, your own say your money be on man. Ayi abrewa bono.
Enti
there are certain outfits near the
emma chirim say omu nyi no no mo ho eye fe. Omu nte say emma sabe omu chirim say ma de omu fie kwa anim no. Na omu ye but omu chirim say mema de omu nyi no. But enkomo DJ Holy Ampa. Me. We sure. Emema ya ndro omu frɛ ye ewo omu frɛ na ye misa omu. Ye frɛ omu sɛn. O de ye misa mema no. Why? Ye misa mema no nti memo number we hu. Ye mfa mema me ensa pɛ. Ye misa sɛ eyampa sɛ emema enyinya omu ho ye fa na. Ye misa se eyampa se mema enyi omho eye fa na 05 055055522 yesantie emema nkomo no biom na bremu na yebisa se eyampa se emema enyi a enom ho eyefe ana 05500555522 yetie
from 25 years to 50 years.
Yentie first one no. Ya mema ne say omu nyinya enom ho ye fe no. Yentie no ye besremo.
Ye ba kwa kunta e man refi omo nse ne nso ye say akunta ye mema no. Ye nyina ne ho ye fe wu. E man nti ase say. E man asante ye. E mema ye nyina ne ho ye fe wu.
Ye misa mema se enkomo.
Se man nti sa de na se.
Se eyampa se emema enyinya e na omo ho eye fa na hwan nie.
Hello.
Already you know osro hwan.
I am Michael because free service.
Michael enkomo yentie we yampa.
Pacho yampa mema yenyi ne ho ye fe.
E chan yanyere nom.
Lebre.
Yo, Michael yada say hello hwan nie.
You from me man because I think comfort.
Okay, yima enkomo ye no kre.
I no kre because o she e ma say yawo e ma tikin komo kola bremi sa omo ye fe. Se omo yi ba pe no mo ho fe de e ba fom yensu me ma no yankola brem ye ho chan ye fe ye yi ekwenim na ye ho hye de aye fe aye sanity
yo ima yada say emema pe fancy papa hello hwan
hello Ebenezer yo
Ebenezer
yes
Ebenezer nado madumara yo Ebenezer yentu yampa
yampa mama yenyi na ho ya fe
chan yere no
kra golbenyi ne mo na hunyi ko ni na fi wa poti na ejum wan bia to to ne on film ejum wan bia to we you sakola wa plastic kama
sakola na ma mo ho ya fe no
sakola na ma ho ya fe no
yo obi nto obumbo wa pampa mu da hello why yes udin baby afrefi hey Bobby Bobby yenti we nkomo yampa
yampa wo se ni ani kanaba ye bomo de ya tikanu nje ono fresh by man wo se ya wo mo no no mo so omo ba no na ye ni ti omo bo mu ni a omo tra ba ye de ne de na o sa ma o abode no na no mo ka no ni sira no eba na pinti na beta o eni ya no atren kam
yo Bobby yate yada say emema de eba ni say hello last call I won komo hu hwan nie
amba jalo sma say so manya ni
na so manya mebo ana
so manya
no sma say enti yesimu nyi na mo ho ye fe yampa
ompa jalo stadi ta na e ma ye ni ana ho because ni ama bi o office ya wa ni nkan wi na ye ko ha ntie ma ube se so pa ni du 35 40 mu ko no brother awu ngata oyi sakola na oja abo ni se to wa na ho be ye se na ngata ba mu do mu ni ko na ba from time to na be mo be tin na 45 50 pa so be tin na oba wa le ba oba ni bi o mu du sa time be ye bi o sa oba na ekuni awa le wa hu
yo yate yeda se yemfa last call I want mema ne side na ye ne mema ne wie ye misa ma ne se enkomo ya mema di yampa na hwan nie
bisa ko for ekuni
aja yo aja wadaruma yenti
yo meka se de enkomo na mudi no eye no kure mema ne ya mo ye sefen ma senti ni se mema won chemu kakra o de fa ne se wo wa wotiwe wo we ja wo mu ye ene wo ba wo ne we de see image ho na wo na wo wura kokorabo ene ho na wo wura abroabo awu ho da let wo ne hu ya wo se we de issue ni di issue ho ya ba do dem me chana
Matias ye pa
wo bo ne hu oba na wo se we de onyi yampa but wo no wo from kakra nti so hu oba wa di 40 wo hu na wo se wa di 40 ampa ba be ma edi 40 kura wotimi dan obeka se bi obe 35 years
yo
ena wuye ma no artificial things ni if you wa na wo se mema the time bia yeleku natural ena ma use artificial wuyi na artificial ne ma ifi ne ho makeup no nneɛma nneɛma fi no na also look ɔyɛ natural na bɛrima nso yɛ natural ohun sɛ ɔmo fɛsɛn ɔbaa no bebree.
Yo, Mr. Kofi Koforudu Ayoko yɛda se yɛma ɛma no nso mmerɛ mu ɛho yɛmfa mma no mmienu ana mmiɛnsa na yɛmmisa sɛ nkɔmmɔ yi ɛyɛ mpa na nti yɛma no mfrɛ yɛn 0550055522 anaasɛ 0551598321 hwan ɔbaa na bɛrima.
Oh, where am I?
That oh, ata ye dabi ata we di fachen yesro ata nkomo we di yesro ye ma ma ne mrem yesro ata fachen wa yesro yen mi se Max FM ye odi e bat yesro ye hwe se ye benya e ma ne mienu bi a 0550055522 ana 0551598321 na ye mi so am se e mema ne se omo nyin ana so omo fie no ekọ anim a omo ho eye fe eche omo yerenom yemisa ma ne se eyampa na hwe se aso oba bi abahare hwe se oba bi ho hello hwan hello Dabi wantimi enyina so na che se akonfirm se yampa mpa cho oba na ba ma
oba
ma udin
ehe medelali
yo ma de la nkomo yi ofa ne sen
komo no me fa ne se o emema no mu we ti se o to no mo ka se o mu ni no mo ye se ne ho ye kan ba no nye ti ni kwa bo ntin e bi nti me ma ho kuni kasa
ye
wa di ti ye
o se ni ye de ni efi emema ho sanka ne biom
emma oba ba ni se 9 months ni obefu mu kwa na okowu a mo je de ti ni ho aba no ofa nya senketua
oh madela baby ade nkomo ye na mi de madela
baby ye no kure che oba bi wo ho na otisi na onwu da uhu na wo se oba we onwu da oye different from obi a wa wo da enti se oba ma se onu nyina no hu ye fe no yesu ye nyina ye ba aberwa no ye wo ye wi se e ba ye bo sumi so kra mo de bi ti ye ho ba ye sa nyi se ye sa wo bre ye fomu no ma emema nto mo ta o se de so wa jare wa de so be tire radio station o kasa o ta mo so po akwa stress na o ye de fomu wo fie no ofa what do you say stress na fomu ni nyina ye bre ne ho na mo na ye de ego enti ye no kore o mo nyi no na mo hu ye fe de se ye de ye ba form enye hwe eye no my
we de wa waji atum
me da se
yo madela yes ye da se yo ene na chese se madela ji atum se yampa se emema ni nyin a omo ho ye fede ana yemfa wie ase ana yemfa ni wie why yenyo oba na bema
oba
ma udi
morning Catherine
yo yentie we nkomo ya mmemme die yampa na
mi ni aba la ya ake because bema ya okwe juma oba wo fi ankola ibe tete no ni ade enu koda nchen ya bema yo nye ska no oba awe na me iti fie no odwin no so
mami mpacho wadaruma o se mmemme ni nya sika omogbo awe
ebi mo gbo awe
wadaruma bema we obo ene na ma sebe emma ma ho ofe ba fam ana
odri fisika na mo ba na fancy no fisika na mo ba na fancy bo mo so ba no ni so little good
enti omunja we ni bo ebe den we make asama DJ Holy o se ebe den meso o se ebe den yo mami yada se why yada se ebe den ebe den afi na nyankopon ya dom na nipa nya sika betenetene ne namu a yenya sika yenya ntimi antoka antene ye namu na ye betimi atene ye namu so mpa mu ase masa ye fasika ma ye yire na on fansiesie ne ho na ye yire siesie obesiesie odia ye ntwa so enti ye do bibi ase wa oba mu adwenkyere onim dia obo ayema ye nkomo ya bedum pempen so yi ye da se na nkomo ba ko ho batemre ne ko enti no ye beto aso ekina na yebetwe ho aba eba na ye the People's Parliament dwumadi na ato aso e de amawo na ene ye ba bedi nkomo e de ahwe the state of private securities in Ghana so ati ase eya na ye wo adwumakuo bi a omotete nkrofo ebo nkrofo ho ban etoda uhu oma hosuo no etise police for omusiesie omo ho tise police for pepepe na ye ba na ye ne panhin bi e ba bedi nkomo na ya hwe omudwumadi omudwumadi no ye betimi di atoto police for no omudwumadi ho ekwan so na obi ye betimi abue sa company na obetimi afa nkrofo se okay men so me private security company men so amanfo betimi aba eneme abedi dwuma ekwan so na ye register omudwumadi etesen hwan na ho kwan so otimi register ne company kwan so na ya na omo so omo fa edi omudwumadi esan se toda ye hu omane edwane ye hu omane edwane ye hu omo ye ka sa police for toda nso omo so mabo omo body no bare de den nempa omo tirimu den no nyina aka adwuma no ye kwa ba na ye ne ye mpanyi atwetwe nkomo no ye bi so omo adwuma ene sen ye ba sisi ya
one day ana Max buy per se yes bebre bisa me say how Max buy at the bundle offers akesi obi entimin tak ebro buy 2 for less but beto TC or washing machines and a kettle for only 5,530 Ghana cedis na save a cool 300 Ghana cedis beto Infinix Smart TV and a smartwatch 3,000 Ghana cedis per afesuma Sanka Techno Common 40 Pro and a smartwatch for only 3,170 cedis na see 250 amonumu hwa come Max buy showroom e memo baby and I shop it online at www.maxbuy.com.gh. Frame 054-401-9552. Nebisa bundle promo no na jiweni kra. Max Buy. Quality you trust. Prices you love.
Hello, Ebusian 4. Your friend Nana Dakwa Jesse, the host of the Max Sports Park, our Max FM 89.7. If you joada, ekosi fiada, ebo non-crew kosi se dumienu beboa. Program no air live on Max FM. Na nika sem ne se die. Ya system ebo non du kosi se dumienu beboa. Program no SIN live on Max TV. Eho ene bo rank of fireman so. Nya cover the major leagues around Europe. Bundesliga, the La Liga, the Premier League, Dutch Eredivisie, ene de kika on. Afeso so ebo na kutukubon sem dia. Eno ene Max TV, Max FM. Unim se Bukom Boxing Arena. The BIA Professional Boxing League. Ya de hun seminar ebeba Max Sports Park jumedie no so. Afeso so Ghana Premier League, the Women's Premier League, and the Division 1 League. Ya de the statistics and all the details you want to know about the local football. And afempo agudi ensema ekoso yemaemu. Your segment bit to say the predictor. Emu hwampa ya the matches beba ya be more odds. Now so what's me trivia DB? Sounds so any of the big interviews and penifo kuku dan omo kasa edimu ewo Ghana any wiase agudi ensem omo any omo atwetwe komo nti shiame minima bedwafo efiti joada ekosi fiada ewo Max FM and Max TV.
Watagwan, me conscious brethren. Your favorite roots rock reggae tunes with inspirational vibes. Reggae Max on Max 89.7 with DJ NY comes your way every week, Mondays to Fridays, 12 noon on Max 89.7 FM. Reggae Max, feel the natural mystic flow in the airwaves right into your ears. Warat!
Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. Cause reggae's welcome to Max Buy.
Hey Jerry, this is your phone. Who've you ever paid for crown pill? What is this?
Babe, relax. Today is the day I turn water into wine. We're in the promised land. Max Buy is here to save us, okay?
You're welcome to Max Buy, Ghana's #1 electronic retail store. How may I help you?
You know, my queen deserves the best. Show me your top gadget here.
At Max Buy, we've got it all. Mobile phones, smart TVs, air conditioners, kettles, microwaves, blenders, and more.
Babe, Imagine our anniversary selfies with this Techno Camon 30S. Everybody would think that we are Ghana's Jay-Z and Beyonce. Power couple, papa.
With over 40 shops nationwide.
Call us on 054-401-9552.
Flexible payment plan, online shopping, and home delivery.
89.7 will rock. Max FM, what do you do, Okita say?
What shall I render? Indeed, what shall I render? My name is Diana Hamilton. You're listening to Max Morning Dew here on Max FM 89.7. Don't change that dial. Keep listening and be blessed.
Welcome to Wednesday morning.
All right, so I am Akwaba, Max Morning Dew live on Max 89.7. Your friend Kumika sa. Yeah, Koya Nimanesa. Na enkomwe wo ho wo se yente enfi hotel. Yenko parliament na yente enkomwe enfi eho. Ofa ya tunidi People's Parliament. Aye onkoma wo de ho asema ba ye ba bedi. Na enano ye kwa hamane so na ye ne yempanya twetwe nkomo na ye bisa ne se. Private securities in Ghana, Kwamen so and no form with you, Mudumadi, why no whole coin say, Otimi Ebie private security company, our Ghana, Yakwa Hamanasona, Yane, Yapenya Chichin, Como your friend Daniel Jifake Gadika, Edawadaruma, Udino, Yamonia, na Odia Chaye, na watching Sunday Abonaso, and a payam Aquaba the Bamax FM. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Aja, good morning.
Good morning. How are you doing?
You who are dumb, ya when you pay, ya did pass a bibia the Diano pay.
Exactly. Everything is fine. At where I am, everything is okay.
You. Yet I say, yes, you when you're Ghana pa. You. Ajawadaruma, Yabasaya na brofono na ya de chini kakra dia fra e dia man wadaruma say how dia.
That's going to be an impediment on my way because I cannot express myself digitally.
You.
If I want to go that angle.
And ye kafra. You. Aja no pa ye din komo na ye bisa se ye ka se private security companies are for.
Well, when we talk about private security company, we are talking about individuals or companies who have voluntarily registered to protect life and property, either their own or a client's property. So we have a public security and we have private security as well. The public security is the government ones, which are the police, the immigration, the military, and co. And the private security are for individuals, as I said earlier on. These are people that companies involve themselves with, as in helping them to protect their assets. As I said about assets, we're talking about people, property, information, and reputation. These are the things that the private security guard is being employed to protect for their clients. And the public security is solely for the government. they are having more powers than the private security companies because they have been given ammunition, they have been given the state powers to do arrest, which is actually out of citizen arrest for the government, and these people are being prosecuted. Without that, the private security is just augmenting the public security domain.
Na mayemisa why na all qualities no why na qualify say obebuye private security company e Ghana?
Well, I would say everything starts with law. So the bedrock of every institution or a country starts with law, which we call enactment in parliament. The private security companies or private security industry is being governed by 1992 Police Act LI 1571, which regulates the private security industry. 2004, a law has been established to have an industry on its own, which is the private security company. But government has not set a date to enroll this act into action, which will now give the private security an autonomous body for them to regulate their own space. So for now, these are people that are being governed by the police and the Ministry of Interior. They are in charge of them. For you to register as a private security company, there are procedures that you need to go through. There are a document that you need to file. First, you need to register with the Registrar General Department. Then you now go to the police to ask them for a certificate that will certify you to operate in the private security industry, so they can look at your company so you will not commit any kind of infractions that will affect people that you intended to protect.
And after say we go through some procedure we know and crofwa obey employ mo and the company ni man, I mean say the private security company no go through training be and I say ye show my adwene mu ehun say bibia ye okay say betimi aye adwuma no and I say after say what get license every company no or ho kwan say or employ you be
Yeah, if I heard you right, you are asking about people who are qualified to be in the industry. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. Hello.
Hello. I can hear you now.
Yeah. Enti na ye bisa why na qualify say on work in a private company. Some of the qualities I share and sana ya be in a private security company.
Yeah, thank you. Gone are the days that people see security or private security as an ill-trained area, that anyone that thinks he wants to make an ends meet, they fall on private security companies just to put food on the table. Nowadays, that is no more because there are rules and regulations that govern that space. It's about time that we need to regulate our system back in Ghana to make sure we have the right people with the right mentality, with the right attitude or character to be in this space, because they are protecting people, they are protecting property, they are protecting information and reputation as well. Well, for someone to qualify to be in this space, first of all, if we are benchmarking our standard with international standards, first of all, the person needs to have a clean criminal record. The person must not have anything to do with the police, as in being charged with criminal activities. The person must have a good character. When you talk of character, character is everything. Your behavior towards people, how you accommodate people, they are all parts of the character that we are talking about. So you must have training as well. When we talk of training, the training must be given to this individual from a professional body, from someone who is qualified to be a trainer, not someone who just wants to, in a quote, have a training experience to go into that. Because if you want to benchmark this with the UK, which they are at 2001, spell it out who is qualified to be a trainer. First of all, you must have, because something AET, that's Award Education Training, on how to contact people for training, assess them as well, and know their shortfalls, and how to bring everybody on board, those who are falling short and those who are catching up, bring all of them together to make sure you achieve a common goal by impacting that knowledge into them. Secondly, you must know what we call conflict management. Conflict management, are you there to fight people that are coming to your premises, or you are there to make sure you de-escalate issues that are trying to build up? So you need to have those qualities as well. And we call something physical intervention. How do you intervene physically so that you not fall short of the law? Mind you, security moves along with human rights. When you're thinking of security, you must be thinking about human rights as well. Because you being in a position as a security officer or protection officer, your activity should not infringe on someone's rights. Because where your rights end, that is where someone's rights start. So you must understand how the law plays around security, how you interact with people. So if you don't have this kind of quality, this kind of ideas, you will end up exhibiting ignorance. You end up doing things that does not conform with the law. So I think, or I believe, anyone going into this space must have an effective training and efficient training. So these two things must come to play because you are there as an agent for the organization that you are being employed to work with. You are there as a legal aid in case something happens to your organization. Once you are the first point of contact that the person passes through to get to the premises, you be called to the court to attest to whatever you have seen as a witness box. So these are things that anyone who is trying to enter into the private security industry must have all this training that will enable them to perform their work efficiently and diligently.
Now, how effective are they? I mean, say the private security companies know how effective are they as compared to the public security services?
Well, for me, I will not try to sugarcoat anything. Looking at the industry in Ghana and where I am living now, we are below standard because most people think being in private security or industry, maybe you must be from the military or these government agencies. So they end up employing people who are out of performance, people who are old, people who have less to offer. Then it becomes a place that people see as an ill-trained area. And when it comes to their customer service, because as a private security guard or someone who is being employed to be a protection officer, it is your duty to give customer service to people that are coming to the premises. But these people, you see them sitting down reluctantly as if nothing is happening. You see them not even knowing how to approach people. Customer service is out of their dictionary. I don't blame them. I blame the industry for not having an institution that regulates this individual. Everything is being left for the police or the Ministry of Interior. So I don't see them to be up to a task as I'm talking to you now. Mostly, you go to banking halls, which I have witnessed myself. You see this security guard being sent as an errand boy. Some of them changing water dispensaries. Some of them helping people to fill their bank checks, which is unacceptable in the industry, which is unprofessional. So I think we are below the standard. We need to work on these areas to make sure we have an area that will entice the youth to venture into. As we are talking about employment, it's an area of employment as well. So we should not concentrate all our energy into the government security sector. The private security sector can also absorb by making it lucrative. Also, for them to be effective, it also depends on the kind of services you are giving them, their remunerations, their benefits, all comes with it. So when someone is psychologically affected with what will be his daily bread tomorrow or what he eat tomorrow, it becomes challenging. That person will not have a good thinking to make sure he protects the properties that you have entrusted into his or her hand to protect for you.
Now, Miami say, in the absence of the public security services, baby, ayete, portemuna, yenya, public security services, na say cases biaba. Ye beti me report all these cases said ama private security services na omadi hujuma. Beti me aye juma ne te say public ones na.
Well, there's a difference between private security and public security. For us to look at the hierarchies of security architecture in any country, it starts from the national security. Then it comes to home security. Then it comes to corporate security. The national security has the highest authority to protect beyond our borders, and the home security protects within the internal space of the government, and the corporate security protect their assets. As I mentioned earlier on, when we use Max TV or Max FM as an example, it's a corporate entity, and this corporate entity must protect its own assets. So the private security that you are employing to guard your property for you, one, they will have only citizen arrest. They can only do an arrest and hand over to the police for them to take charge from that point. They cannot go beyond their boundaries, or they cannot go beyond an area that they are not being vested with that power to do so. So every issue that they are going to encounter, the end point is to report to the police, and the police end point is to take it to the court for the court to take the due process to investigate the issue and then come out with remedies that will make sure each and every party is satisfied with the outcome of the remedy that we put on board.
Nice one. You. Yenim say public security services before asana yebe employ obi and say yebe for obi no yediomo go through some training be programs be with all due respect ubetimi edi afa some formal training be yede emma enkrofo ye form adwuma mu private security services mu na omo ye formal training be the momo and I say ye fa one ye fa.
Yeah, every institution has its own culture. Before you think of employing a private security guard onto your premises, the company has its own culture. So your measures must be adopted according to the culture of that organization. One, for someone to be trained or someone to have that kind of effectiveness, there are things that person needs to go through. One, this person will be writing a report on issues that happen. The person must at least know how to write to make sure in case of any incident, he must be able to put what happened on paper so we can take it up from there to make sure we put measures in place to avert what has happened that day before the measures are coming in place. And that person must understand conflict management. When you talk of conflict management, the way you engage people, in case something happens, how do you communicate to the people to calm issues down? You need to have that kind of quality, that kind of training to make sure you help people to solve their issues amicably. And also, physical intervention. When someone is coming to attack you, you need to attack the person back instantly. Do you have ways to leave the scene for the person not to continue doing what he or she is doing? Or do you have ways to communicate to the security agencies, which are government agencies, to come into the scene? Do you know how to attend to people in terms of first aid? How to respond? Because people come to the premises, something that might happen to them. How do you attend to them to sustain them for the right people to come on board, as in the right medical professionals to come on board and help this person to survive this life? So these are some of the trainings that these people need to go through. How you dress, how you approach people, because you are the first person that people are going to see at the entrance of the premises before getting in. So when you are being reckless, you are not professional at your post. It reflects the company that you are protecting. I'm using Max TV as an example again. When the security guard on duty over there, if that person don't know how to talk to people, anyone that comes to the premises, he speaks to them anyhow. They will not. The one coming on that premises will have this kind of first impression that Max TV is a company that doesn't know how to speak with people. From the entrance, as I said, first impression is the last impression. So there are people that have to project the company from the outer part before the inner part of the company. So these are some of the trainings that they need to go through. Radio communication must be top notch.
All right. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, few complaints from Ghanaians, sir. Nanka, omo person register omo private companies. Omo complaining of the duration and procedures I was say go through before and sana you be register companies, no. It became say it take you years, month, in fact a whole lot of procedures. Meaning ne papa muno so be a private security company. How long and be taking the say or they be any registration na or sign so edia any license na obetimi edia adwuma na if possible sign fire procedures na yen say how long any be taking.
Yeah, talking about the procedures which I spoke on earlier on. Now let's come to the regulatory body. For a company to be established, first of all, you need to register with the Register General Department, which is mandatory. Now, when it comes to Ghana, a few complaints that I've heard as someone who is in that industry already, it's quite alarming because when you look at the private security industry, it employs more than the government agencies. It employs more than them. Why don't we have a regulatory body? Let's benchmark our private security industry with the developed countries, which are UK, US, and co. In UK, as I'm here now, for you to register a private security company, it's not going to take you more than 2 weeks to finish with everything, get your license, and start operating. Okay, I don't even need to go to. I just need to be in my room, input my data, my NIP, and my company name. Quickly, the home, the company house will just call me or forward my documents, everything to me in my inbox, and my business starts right away. But in Ghana, everything wants to be monopolized. Okay, like people want to have control over everything. The Ministry of Interior and the police are those who give those licenses. Why don't we have let's have a body which will be the private security industry body to be giving license to people who want to practice or who want to run a security guard company? But everything has been centered on the police, which makes it so cumbersome that for you to get this license, it takes years. A lot of people have applied, which I have first-hand information about. So they have not been given this license to operate, which is worrying. If we want to give employment to youth, we must make sure our system is working effectively to make sure people have that freedom, that kind of limited timeline to operate and bring people on board. That would be the easiest way for us to bring people to understand that the private security industry is a lucrative area for them to venture into. Without that, it's like everything is being controlled by the police, which is the LI 1571. They have to make sure they have a separate body, which is the private security industry, to operate that aspect. Because we have armed security and an armed one. The private security industry is not an armed one. If you want to be armed, then you have to go to another route to go to the police for them to give you that license. For now, they are just operating to deter criminals not to venture into the crime industry to sell the properties that they have engaged them to protect. So it's not something that it should take long for them to give that license to people to operate their private security companies. It is not the best to me.
Now, Yebisa say, how do the government monitor? And I say, so and a government regulate the effectiveness of these private security services in Ghana?
Well, for the government to regulate this, one, they need to have an authority or regulatory body, which is the private security industry regulatory body. which must make sure after every 3 years, per where I am sitting, they must go back and renew their license. It should be a licensure system. That's when you pass all the exam as a private security guard. Every 3 years, you need to renew that by doing a refresher course. But Ghana, do we have that? No. We think someone living in the military or someone being associated with the police have what it takes to run a private security company or train people who wants to go into the private security industry. We only need to have a regulatory body because the police cannot regulate this body as they are not doing as police. They only regulate their licensing system as they are doing now, delaying people not to get their license. We need to have a body that can also take charge and be looking at the activities of this private security company. Then we can have a standardized system. We started before Kenya, we started before Nigeria, but Kenya is having a security authority organization which monitor the private security company. Same to Nigeria, they also have the private security industry that monitors their activities as well. So I don't know why Ghana is delaying. I don't know who is benefiting from it. They don't want to give that kind of body to operate on their own. So APSOC, which we have in Ghana, are doing their best to get these bodies to come into vision. So then we will not be able to monitor this private security, their operations effectively.
Okay. Yɛnim sɛ Ministry of Interior always know ɔmo nkrɔfo so I mean this private security company so say ɔmo mmɔden asɛ ɔmo bɛma ɔmo nkrɔfo the requirement a ɔmo hia na sɛ the necessary training a ɔmo hia. But here's the case no mo so ɔmo complaining about inadequate equipment almost some of the better training no near the Sanya man when there was providing these private security companies it was a ministry no and provide and as after so what your license you in one there was a to sa and near ma would the bema on crop for some offended you made no when they also provide this animal.
Yeah, when you look at
there be when you look at no and no feel so. Biansha say yes ebe kana na ommo yen common tofa na yemfa yen common no embra na wiye. Enti yedi nkomo e de afa private security companies companies Ghana. Toda yenua no mo ye shatawale ni sto mo e ko ba bia o ma mo di o ma chi ya na ye ta from police na toda na pi na no e private security companies ajayansa mo akwa ba biom.
Yeah, thank you.
Sorry ya hama no eyi ufi so kakra enti ye besa se o de becha yen na me say Ministry of Interior da bia no ewo private security companies no ewo omokon so say ewo say provide the necessary equipment and farmer employees and omo training esefata. But here's the case na yet say they do complain of say bia ni equipment di edi juma. And I bisa say when there was provided those equipment a ministry na say after registration no CEO of the private security company no na was say onkoto sa equipment na say eniema modi bedi dwuma ni nyina.
Well, even the word private and public, they are two different things altogether. It is not in any book that government has to provide equipment for private security companies to go to training. Are you going for any kind of a combat that you need training from the government? No. The training that the private security guards need is physical intervention, conflict management, and also looking at understanding the laws of the country. So you understand the laws of the country, they are in the books already. You just have to pick the book, know your power of arrest, knowing security and human rights act. This is the things that they need to know. Calling on the government to provide equipment. What equipment do they need? The only connection between the private security and the public is for the private security to give an information to the public security if there's anything of a crime that is happening, for them to intervene. So they only need radio. This radio has to be provided by the private security company owners. And they have to have the connections, as in the numbers to dial in case of any crime that is being committed on their premises or is about to happen on their premises. So the police, for them to move in quickly and sweep these criminals away. So there's no need for the government to provide equipment for them for training. It's a private entity, so it must be handled privately. Their own is to have a regulatory body that will make sure the training they are getting is up to standard. The training Kofi is having, AMA is also having the same training. So we can all understand the environment that we are operating in. Not Kofi should have a training A and AMA should have training B. So these are the only things that we need to look at.
Few security personnel say omo ekasa omo complaining of value, and according to them, no, some of few challenges are, and some many challenges are now omo facing no, Ghanaians are young value role say omo security personnel sometimes even say omo authority be crana yentie. Is it because Ghanaians said that it need much knowledge about this private security services? And 89.7
Max FM.
Yeah, I will not blame them much. I will blame education because they are not giving them that necessary education. And from the onset, they see people who are in the private security industry as an ill-trained people who have no knowledge about, who have no educational background. But the narrative has changed for a very long time now, that they need to understand that, look, security is the backbone or bedrock of every nation's development. Today, if you should open your doors and someone steals your valuable property, you are going to regret this for the rest of your life. So the one that they put in there as a security personnel, I would say back in the days, we call them watchmen. Going there, we now call them security guards. Nowadays, they are called protection officers. They are protection officers. So, one, we need to understand that there are people, as we are asleep, they are awake. They know our in and out. Our secrets, they know. You, the CEO that comes to the office at morning and leave at night, this security guard is there, making sure your properties are being protected for you to start work the following morning. If all your properties are laid down, criminals come for it, or there's fire in that property, you have to know that all what you have stolen for has just gone down the drain. So we have to give these people that respect that they are what we are today. Without them, we will not be able to survive. The country will not be able to thrive. Paying these people is also another area that we need to look at. People see it as something that we should give them something small, then they are good to go. No. When you do that, you are inviting them to steal your property. Because you are not paying them well, it's because of them, your things are being protected for you to come the following day and see. And also, we should not blame the private security company paying them less. We should look at the clients that they are taking care of. Is it paying them more to their company that has employed them to protect the property that they are on? We should look at it from that angle as well. So the whole issue is about the private security industry authority that have to regulate the wages that these people are being paid, so they will not have that evil mentality to steal from their employers. Not only money they steal, they can steal the information and sell out to someone, which that person is your competitor. They go around all your property. They know wherever you keep your secret. So if you don't keep these people well, and someone comes to them, give them something, they will end up taking your valuable information or anything that contributes to your property, sell it out to your competitor, and you are going to be in crisis in terms of what profit to your company.
Your final question na yeja okwan no ye bisa say why na ye blame na say who should we blame for the poor working conditions of this security personnel? Why na was say your money so bo e de fa o musika je ho musika e wo fam no emfa ho so bo ne mo hwan?
Yeah, as I said, laws are made for us to go by it. If the government is able to structure this industry well, we'll be able to get to the bottom and make sure these people are paid well. Let me use Malik Basintale's issue with Zoom Lion with me. As he insisted, now these people are being paid, if not more, better than before. So I'm urging the government to allow the private industry to have their own authority, and that will be the best way to go to regulate their wages that they will pay them, and we'll have a lot of youth venturing into this area, which will ease the burden of government employing everyone into the security services, which is not something that we should encourage. These people have the energy now. Let's make sure we help them by having an authority that will be lucrative, and they will have that edge to go into this industry and make ends meet and protect the companies that have employed them to protect their assets as well. That will be the way to go.
Yeja na wako dia o final words to Ghanaians and our final words to other institutions operating under this private company, private security services. No final words are the eja omono wadaru mama intio.
Yeah, I would say we should be security conscious. We should understand what security means, and we should give the necessary attention to security, because every developing country that you see today, they develop based on security. They don't develop based on any other thing. So we have to be strategically wise how we pay our security guards, how we will have a system that will regulate this security industry, and as long as we will all benefit out of it, to make sure the country move forward. So we should be security conscious and make sure we embrace security as part of us. Thank you.
Anopedia yebede wase ne ombre ne wadaje ne adesuade anopai wama yesua e Max FM yeda se ne ombre ne wadaje.
Thank you.
Yeah. Enti yene Mr. Daniel Gifake Gadeka na atwetwe enkomo no na waboa yama yesua de ahwe the state of private security companies in Ghana. Kwanya opese umbie private security company in Ghana kwanya wase wonfa so ene oma obefom adwuma so entity a wose wonfa omo emfamu nti eno ho kyerkyeremu na yaje no anopa nti yebese yenuanom so complain so musika sema ofam nti yebese private security companies ne say yenuanom amafom adwuma no yesese ya na moma omusika no enye kama pa ukopiemu e Western Region ye wo Enzima Eagle Security Service Limited eno so e ho kopiemu Kumasi a ye wo His Majesty Security Services Limited e wo Kumasi mamenhwe okay mamenhwe se metimi abobia ye wo Omega 5 Service Limited enso e wo Greater Accra e wo Nkranha ukopiemu e wo Ashanti Region enso a ye wo Northern Security and Investment Limited e wo Kumasi. In fact edo so pa o se ye ka se ye boba e betimi abopi Nkranha enso ye wo Secure Security Consultant Services Limited e wo Nkranha na mamenhwe we so ye Escort Security Service Limited and also e wo Nkranha Scorpion Unit Security Limited and also e wo Tema na ye wo Fortune Security Ghana Limited and also e wo Nkran and chese ye ka se ye ba p security and as a private security services ne de bebre nti yes sena na yesua de no dwumadi ahodo ne niam ahodo se momfa engu akwa mu nyina no mommo moden se mode ebedi dwuma
if you see me shining no be my mind no my mind no oh be my God and if you see me winning my life no be my strength oh be your Lord so help me shine say I'm gonna praise your name for what you've done now you do I'm from the heaven to the set there's nobody where they give my breath but only one God now even my Baba oh he's the Alpha and Omega my beginning till it's over I bow before you I wanna know you we your bolo animals they praise you even the trees they hail you how much more me does it near about me say some go they sleep but they know they wake up some go they go but they know they come back some do they fly but they know they feeling but me and you we have no excuse to shout say I'm gonna praise your name for what you've done now you do I'm more come on yeah
Max FM 89.7
Baba God, what you do for me? Can't even believe you changed my destiny. Come on, every day, just go praise your name. Show them how you do. You turn my life around. Oh, yeah. Nanga Zampata, bicycle, Mediani Okada. As I'm in Pakata, to the bush in a Mena Casa, I could taste you. I'm gonna praise your name for what you've done. Now you do I'm Baba na helala, you do one cha.
Welcome to Wednesday morning. Max FM 89.7.
Friend Dada Hafko and I say a tin can't you Sajana down for the A plus with Tibiana and saying A plus a bay on Abu Ebiana ya prepare mammonia and saying you to Edmund as a tin and can't and from not no hope I couldn't away. Now when you say Dada Hafko now I'm near from and from Mano. Aha, young Codisco Dada have quite a pay it yao. Only Dada have quite catcher and son of pay Max FM morning do you see it and you're telling catcher. Maminchia Fletcher 1 Koforidua Hackman Junction Yechia Muna na edano pa meba ka me fo ya me ba adwuma na sofri so ya sofu so edan yo ejina ka ma na chese akutia ni preaching ya ode ma ye na mepese yentie bi na me bo modern record kakra nti ma yentie afutuo yi say ye preaching no say afutuo na papa yi ede ma yi sawa ho yentie meba
man fight should be watching. Who fight who can find girlfriend and princess? Who are hello da? Men ya calling or back or plantain chips. When I open my ears so teaching why and re years no. Mimi right me dano. Da many of you, many of you, near phone, where you me phone here. The chip on Mr. Phone. Da remember phone we have iPhone 15, you want 9,000, 90 million. Why? Every you put a yam. Not a million. That was the shower answer. Hotel and water in Wasiano. Yamoya Greno. Dime a pizza, Opa Winiza. And I said, I didn't be there. And I am about to you, and I met you. So we know. What about my chamber? Open mobile phone, 90 million. I don't know what I'm saying. If I know. On the side, we are for an old one. I remember one you are getting. For years, what it? Now, a Japadia and for Bianco, baby, a Japadia. But we are Shawma. Ja, a master. We get a estimated says I'm going to be not yet. HIV is. Gonorrhea, syphilis, gonorrhea, one as I'm quite wanting over. Not any bony. Emma, when you go real move. Almost say vagina itching. When I got that China Bama home, there's a fee for the mobile. Ubasha Pante Best said, what about Ghana man? As I when you're going to read, you a bit water. I do not know them fat easy. Bema Ahono, or soon in Osana, whoever may be was I catch if you can't share one more. I'm quite winning over. The other crew Abawase said, over 4 said when you is a man of baby and cervical cancer, and you can't move from America. You can't my old yes. Ubesa Utimin also, Ujosa, and Sobagu, and Mojagus, and your manstra. What was I say for Unomojadua, Nepiaba, Unomojadu, Nomojane Piaba? No, I said, Utimin hasn't come for cervical cancer. German, so much. Or baby, one, or baby, saying, about what the two. You could back a doctor. I can see a people teacher, just all by you for no. You couldn't back about what it is. And then I want you to say, and I just say, my mother poem.
Yes, Mamma, Momo Diana Montana, Moire no more. Why? I say, a member Momo Diana Montana, Moire no Samati. Anna Monte. Enti Mosempa. So far no pay. Ghana member that was a new afutu. Why? Omate. Akase bia. Omo de beye adwuma. Omo da wase. Me so meboa wo. Mabai metu mbema fo. Na omo de aye adwuma. Eda se anope wanu hwam.
Welcome to Wednesday morning.
Na abusua menum yenu na yenim dada enkoma hodo a ekoso edefa yem papa dadi lumba wanya ne ba bi ko oyire pahini oyire ketwa odobroni ene akosua se wantem amanfo eka ne pi se akasakasa bi ewo oyire num yenu entem na Andra yesterday a video bi abeta no pa abetodwa na chese Roman father echirim se entokwa bi ani ba bia na hwe video na yehu odobroni ene akosua se wase omugina video nim nti omo kyerem sɛ entokwa bi ani ba bi antima mo betena radio so mo internet no so na mo kasa mo kotena TikTok na matwe camera simo so no ye kyerem sɛ bibia ani akyire bibia dadi na Ghana for na mo pekasa menim sɛ yenkɔ ye YouTube wo na yemfa video no ento ye YouTube wo na yentie ni a Roman father ene odobroni ene akosua sewa eka ye ewo video ni mo kyerem se enkomo bia eni akire se na mo
me boss akosua sewa and I'm a boss odobroni family Roman father Ghana for as no yen ko anti den for come about no montum na say that number or a man of peace dey nyom akire ono pay na set record o Ghana ha e ba no gospel a oginem e ba no odon ho nyuma oginem e ba no eyi ase nyuma oginem e na kola Roman father we some papa even in his grave me some and me need ama me ma me no me jira mo nche yes akosua sewa and na odobroni nyame nhyira mu na Ghana for one of peace
ti Roman father and e kan say all kan so enye ne nko a odobroni ejina ne nsa bankum so and na akosua sewa ejina ne nsa nifa so enti yese Ghana for enkomo bi ye ne akire why Absua ha na mrebe man kwan na yede Max Morning di ujumadi no ebesi yemfa sedama adwumako madaru mamoboa ye na no pema yede Max Morning di ujumadi ebro yemfa sedama Mass Buy o se yenka nchi ose bomodi amra be pie mu e yaso ye buy 2 for less promotion no ekoso enti family cabra be pie mu yaso ye na yemfa